How to watch live football on YouTube TV with HBO. YouTube TV offers a comprehensive selection of live football games including NFL and college football through its base plan and additional add-ons. To enhance your viewing experience with HBO content, follow these steps. Step number 1, subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2, add HBO to your subscription. After subscribing to YouTube TV, navigate to the add-on section. Select HBO from the list of available premium channels. Confirm the addition to include HBO in your channel lineup. Step number 3, install the YouTube TV app on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or a streaming device like Roku or Chromecast. Step number 4, sign in to your YouTube TV account. Open the app and sign in with your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 5, access live football games. Use the search function to find specific football games or browse the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 6, access HBO content. Navigate to the live or premium sections to find HBO and watch live or on-demand content.